and then you start becoming. Here's something that frustrates me. You want serious money without being serious. Stop wanting serious money without being willing to get serious about your business. I know we tell people when they get into network marketing, hey, get in, slivers of time, split-second marketing, 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. Sure, you come in thinking about a part-time side business. You're going to work it maybe a collective couple hours a week, and you're going to let that ramp up over time. That's part of my pitch. I get it. And if that's where you want to be, then a lot of the stuff that you're hearing from me today does not even pertain to you if that's all you came here for and that's all you're still here for. But most people, when they come in looking for an extra $500, once they get in and they see all the success and all these people living such better lives and they see how much is available to them, most people say, you know what, I want more than that. Let me just get real. I don't want 500 a month, I want 500 a week. I don't want 500 a week, I want 500 a day. And when you start wanting more and you want the serious money, not the kiddie money, when you want the serious money, then you got to actually be congruent and do the serious activity